This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
Good morning to you. I'm Yetta Gibson. Here are the latest stories that we're following for you from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. Another possible case of coronavirus here in Arizona. The Arizona Department of Health Services announcing another person, a third person now, has been diagnosed with this virus. We don't know much about the person who was diagnosed other than she's in her 40s and she is in the hospital right now. State officials say this is the first case of possible community spread infection. That means the patient did not get coronavirus by traveling to another part of the world. How she was exposed, though, is still being looked into. Tempe is mourning the cancer death of one of its firefighters. 37-year-old Tommy Arriaga passed away early this morning. He joined the department as a member of the Hazardous Materials Response Team in 2014, and he was diagnosed with colorectal cancer last year in 2019. So the city of Tempe is saying his death is being considered a line of duty death, meaning he will receive full honors and benefits for his family. Arriaga leaves behind his wife, Monica, two young daughters, Miranda and Madeline. And we also now know the identity of the 15-year-old who was shot and killed inside of a Valley shopping mall. The victim in that shooting, Anthony Castillo. Phoenix police tell us Castillo was shot in the food court at the Desert Sky Mall on Tuesday. 27-year-old Damon Hayes was arrested late yesterday. He's been booked into jail on murder and weapons charges. Investigators say this all started as an argument between groups of children and young adults. An Arizona company is sending a fleet of balloons into the stratosphere. Tucson-based Worldview Enterprises will build and deploy a new fleet of balloons to fly over North and Central America. The balloons are going to help scientists, meteorologists, and governments gather more accurate data than they would get typically with satellites. Their final preparations are underway for a launch this summer. All right, let's take a look at your weekend forecast. Looking really nice. We're going to stick in the 80s today and tomorrow, and then we're going to kind of tick down Sunday, back up again Monday, in mid-70s through the mid part of next week. For updates on more stories that we're following for you, you can download our app. You can subscribe to our YouTube and Roku channels. I'm Yetta Gibson. Have a great day, everybody.